Love is in the air and scattered all over the floor. Let's find out which robot vacuum survives Valentine's Day. This is our Valentine's Day episode, and just like the others, there's a music version and a no music version available. If you're watching the music version and want to know what's playing, the full playlist is linked in the video description. Our party guests today are Shark RV764X01US. iRobot Roomba J8, Roborock model RRA0TAC, Lefant M210, Shark Matrix RV2402WD, and Eufy RoboVac G30 Verge. We're stress testing these robots with red and white paper confetti today. And yeah, this might be tougher than they expected. Well, that's not a great start. The iRobot Roomba J8 is already aerated, and we're not even 1 minute in. This confetti is longer and tougher than expected, and it's already tangling the vacuum. It fits the Valentine's theme, but it might end the test early.
Empty the bin.
Both the iRobot Roomba J8 and the Shark Matrix RV2402WD are now erroring out and look like they'll need some maintenance before they can get back up and running. Some confetti made it into the Shark Matrix's dustbin, but if the robots keep failing after a minute, this cleanup is going to be slow. They all seem to be erroring out now. The confetti didn't just clog the Lefant's suction intake, it also managed to jam one of its wheels. At this point, they all seem to be down, and we'll need some cleanup before we can keep going. We may have to do something about this confetti to continue. Maybe cut it shorter. We're going to have to stop this video though and spend some time cleaning them up and getting them ready. Probably sweep up the confetti and see what we can do. The Roborock has so much of it tangled up in its brushes that I doubt any made its way to the dustbin. Yep, that's not surprising. Going to just empty them all and then find something else these robots can take on. Because this confetti definitely beat them all down.
Dustbin and water tank cover unit installed.
Hope we don't have to take it apart to get this wheel working. Very little made it into Lefant's dustbin as well.
The device is being stuck. Put the machine back near the starting place.
Eufy looks about the same as Roborock with the rollers fully tangled up, and Lefant with the clutter in the wheel well. And like the others, little made it into the dustbin. Okay, let's check in on the older Shark, the Shark Robot Vacuum RV764X01US. And then we'll reset the scene and run the test again. Looks like more got tangled up in its wheel than its brushes. A little bit made it to the dustbin before it wrapped up the brushes and wheels. All right, we're back again. We didn't want to let such a great filming day slip away. We're spending a little time indoors since it's cold out, but the snow makes a beautiful backdrop, and these decorations really set the scene. We spent a bit of time setting up the Robot Vacuum Valentine's Day shoot, so we really didn't want to waste it. Let's jump back into our Valentine's Day Robot Vacuum episode. This time, instead of the red and white confetti that completely wrecked the robots, we're using good old tried and true rice.
Resume cleaning. Pausing.
Thanks for watching, and here is wishing you a happy Valentine's Day from our family to yours.